Let's talk about cholesterol today. What is cholesterol? Cholesterol is a fatty substance or lipid that our bodies make, and we also receive it from food. Our bodies need cholesterol for many different functions, like cell integrity, digestion of fats, and hormone and vitamin D production. About 80% of cholesterol is made in your liver, and the other 20% usually comes from diet. So what's all the hype about high cholesterol? High cholesterol is commonly thought to increase the risk of heart disease, strokes, and plaque buildup in the arteries. But what if I told you that is not the case? High cholesterol, or hypercholesterolemia, is not a disease. It's not a death sentence if you have high cholesterol. Instead, cholesterol is more of a biomarker, something in your body to measure and give you an idea of how your body is functioning. High cholesterol is a result of your body being suppressed or functioning at a lower rate than it should be. Classically, cholesterol is seen in hypothyroid cases, diabetes, Cushing's disease, or dare I say, chronic subluxations. When the body is functioning at a rate lower than it should be, or it's suppressed, the body's removal system or the excretion system is slowed down, and cholesterol can't be broken down and removed from the body at a normal rate. So, more cholesterol circulates around in the body, raising blood cholesterol levels. Having high cholesterol does not lead to heart disease, strokes, or plaque buildup in the arteries like we're commonly told. Instead, stress leads to plaque buildup in arteries, heart disease, heart attacks, and strokes. When you're chronically stressed, your adrenal glands pump out extra pro-inflammatory hormones into your body, which increase inflammation in your body. Over time, blood vessels will get inflamed, and what your body does to try and repair the injury is it lays cholesterol or plaque at the injury site in the blood vessels. Your body's doing what it's supposed to do when plaque shows up in the blood vessels. It's trying to repair the injured tissue in the blood vessels. This is precisely why plaque buildup occurs in the blood vessels, causing heart disease, sometimes strokes, and plaque buildup in general, because you're too chronically stressed. Why are we being lied to about cholesterol? Let's face it, not only are statins big money makers, but if the focus is on cholesterol and trying to keep it in the normal range, while ignoring the true problems that are going on in your body, that cholesterol levels or high cholesterol is trying to warn us about, not only are they making money off of you by being on statins, but think of all the doctor's visits that you'll be going to over and over, maybe months or even years sometimes, trying to figure out why you're still sick. Now that is a lot of money being profited off of you for lying to you. So what can you do instead? Well, I'm a chiropractor and I'm going to say get your spine and your nervous system checked. Stress and a suppressed or low functioning nervous system will cause a suppressed and low functioning body. And it can lead to different illnesses mentioned above, like heart disease, strokes, diabetes, Cushing's disease, and the list honestly goes on. If you've never been to a chiropractor before, I encourage you to find one that you trust with your health and use them as a guide to a healthy life and healthy cholesterol levels. God bless, and Christ is King.